Hey guys, and welcome back. So in today's video I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing this blacklight skull tapestry. It is glow-in-the-dark skeleton tapestry with a UV reactive moon phase galaxy. Alright, so right here is a ultraviolet tapestry. So it looks super nice under UV lights as well as without UV light. So the medium size is an 82.7 inch by 59.1 inch in height. It is super nice. It is easy to clean. It's soft, lightweight. You can see that it looks super nice. It almost kind of looks like a scarf, but this tapestry is a core tapestry, is a complete skeleton surrounded by mandala, and the background is a secret starry sky. You can also see moons and different shapes and size in this tapestry. It is machine washed and hand washed under cold water, but do not use bleach. So with this one, if you use a UV black light, this will shine up. Unfortunately, I did not have a black light to show this, but you can see the quality of the stitching right here. This is great for bedrooms. It's made of high quality polyester, soft and easy to clean. It is advanced HD printing technology, makes the pattern clear and not blurred. The dimensions are 82.7 by 59.1. The blacklight tapestries can be hung in the bedroom, living room, or wherever you want to hang it. It is suitable for dormitories, living rooms, hallways. You can use it as a curtain or a backdrop. You can see how nice it is. I do have it hanging up on my wall. It is super nice. You can see the galaxy on the back. You can see the moon of all shapes of the moon. You've got some nice designs here at the top. You've got the skull at the bottom. And then you got some more designs here at the bottom. You can see some wishing stars, different types of moons, the hands of the skulls. You can see the nice fine artwork right here. You can see the moon up close and the little stars. So if you guys are into tapestry, I would definitely say check this one out. It is really nice. Unfortunately, I did not have a black light to show you, but this looks super nice. Even if you don't use a black light, it is pretty nice to hang up in your room, your living room, in your dormitory, wherever you want to have some backdrops or anything like this. This is a really nice one. So if you're looking for a nice tapestry, especially now that it is around Halloween, and you like skulls and stuff, I would definitely say check this one out. It is a very good quality. It is machine and hand washed, but it is recommended to wash it under cold water so it doesn't fade the colors. Just look at how clear this is. It is very beautiful. I can only imagine what it looked like under the black light.